I'm a tiny little human being. And with tiny little human beings comes tiny little human being possessions.
Literally 2 feet tall. If you know Caribbean people, you know the way that the majority of us wash is by hand. I'm assuming that is how I just wash. But I don't like to wash by hands, and that is why I get a machine, because we don't have a lot of space in the house for like a huge washing machine, and I can't afford a huge washing machine. I'm going to try it out today. Fortunately for me, and I'm a little lazy piece of shit, I have clothes inside that I can wash. I want to see how much I can fit inside of it. I go for the clothes and I go for the breeze. Don't move. I'm coming back. Breeze. That's my laundry basket. It's full to the brim and over the brim. So it's a good candidate for this experiment. I'm going for some water in the back. This bucket full. This bucket full. This bucket full. Why are the bucket full? Except the small one, but me want to use the small one because it can take me like forever. I have a bucket in my room. And I keep leaving all you in places probably supposed to be and stuff like that, but like all the kind of heavy. For coming back, I just go around that kind of day. I go inside the house, through the kitchen, through the living room, into my bedroom, grab the bucket and come back out. Just a quick thing, just stay right there and do like you just don't do. I took a quick detour and I got a banana. I hope you don't mind. I only ate ramen for breakfast this morning, and apparently ramen don't full you. I don't remember that ever happening. I don't know what they're doing to the ramen these days. Well, it's not filling. It can't be me, because me ain't growing. It can't be me. I'm not the problem. The ramen is. We had like 4 buckets out here and all of them full. Watch how the water look. Wait. I thought it was gonna be heavy. It's not. We have a 3-foot dog. Look at it. You see the 3 foot? I bet you did. Let's see how much pieces of clothes we could fit in this, which should not be used as reference, considering I'm like small and I probably like big people with big people clothes and things. 2 pieces of clothes for me might be like 1. Use at your own discretion. This is 1 top. Next time the phone drop, one of you catch it, give me please. Okay, so like 15 pieces of clothing there. I'm wondering if that's too much. I can't tell. And also there's supposed to be a specific point at which I'm supposed to stop filling it with water. I don't know where that point did it. So I just get through and wish for the best. Again for some water coming back. I don't know how much pieces of clothing I put in there, maybe like 18. I lost count. So like it looking pretty full now. I don't put too much powder in there, I still feel like I ain't put enough powder in there. So it have wash, spin and half dip and wash, which I'm guessing it's supposed to do now. Just an educated guess. I'm just gonna put it on 15 minutes. I feel like that's necessary. And then yeah, so that then is spinning for 15 minutes. Oh, look at that, going back and forth. I should have probably mixed up the powder in the water. Oh shoot, maybe too much clothes there in there. It looked like it's struggling for spin, to be honest. I probably put too much clothes in there. It literally looked like it's struggling. And all the clothes just pressing against like the thing. That's pretty heavy. I'm gonna take that out. Oh, it's fine. Oh. Still look like it's struggling. I wonder if it's supposed to do that. I wonder if I could put more water in there. I'm going to. I can put more water and I can put more breeze in there. I can put some more breeze. I'm gonna put this back in. There was some water left in this. I'm gonna truly breeze in and mix it up. I don't know if you see that or not. You don't really need to see it. It's not that important. But I can show it in the thing now. Water coming out of the hose. That is so bizarre to me. That is all the washing machine does do is just spin back and forth. That's supposed to wash the clothes properly. You know the amount of effort we just put into like washing clothes only for the washing machine for just do a couple spins and tell me that the clothes don't wash. You gotta be joking. Oh! I feel like I fill it up with too much clothes. I feel like I ain't put enough soap and I put like...
No, you can't put plenty soap in washing machine. You can't put... That is why they have washing machine soap powder. You don't put a lot of plenty.
Oh.
And the thing is that you could have... When them here finish wash, you could have take them out and put in somewhere in the same water, but this water here to dirty.
Yeah. You know, take off your clothes. Again, basically take them out and rinse them myself. The next cycle, I will let the machine rinse them. But for this one, just for convenience, because I can put another load in, I go in, rinse them. What I do? Rinse them, throw the water while I rinse them back into the machine for wash the next set of clothes, and then hang out the one of them we don't wash. I kind of had doubts. I doubt that wash them there for 15 minutes. But it's a washing machine, so I guess it wash me, you know.
Clap. Yo. Hey.
Okay, this have a lot of stains on it for some reason, so we go see if it take them out.
Clap. Yo.
Come and go wash the white top. kid growing up, especially with my small hands. I feel like it been kind of hard for me to wash. Even when I've been like in grade 6 and been supposed to know how to wash all them time, my hands have been like baby hands. I was so tiny. I used to feel bad because I used to feel uncomfortable like holding the clothes. Because the clothes been big, my hands been small, you know what I mean? Things regular people could wash regularly, I feel like I have to put in so much effort. Anyways, when I used to wash, this never used to happen. That squeaky song never used to happen. And I don't know if this is relatable or not. I don't know if it's just a Caribbean relatability thing, but John knows. Unless me hear that squeak there, me feel like the clothes washing. I used to try so hard. When I finally hear the squeak, hey, I even feel like a woman. I was like, yes, I'm grown. Before that, I used to, like, because I've been desperate for hear the squeak, I used to wash like this. Obviously never used to do anything, but at least I've been hearing the squeak. This is the first time in a long time I ever do laundry and it full up more than one line. I feel like I ain't do nothing and I still feel like I do the whole like 9 yards. I'm confused. Still hated every minute of it. I just hate washing, period. Anyways, thank you for having or being with me for my wash day. It was nice of you to keep my company. God knows I've been wanting it. If you liked the video, like the video. And if you liked me, subscribe so you can see more. You know what I mean? Or just do whatever you want. It's your life. I know. Or to just throw the clothes.